As a coffee roaster and someone who always wants to get the most out of my coffee beans, I know just how important it is to regularly clean my machine, because there's nothing worse than spending money on quality beans and having the coffee quality compromised by a dirty machine. During the coffee making process, coffee beans release essential oils. Most of the oil transforms into crema during the coffee extraction, but some are left behind. As a result, the oil can create a film that clogs up the fine holes in the filter basket, reducing the efficiency of your machine. Keeping your coffee machine clean on a regular basis means it will continue to deliver coffee time after time, and your machine will last longer. Luckily, cleaning on the Compact Barista has been designed to be effortless, so you can get on with more important things like drinking coffee. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to clean your Compact Barista so you can continue to enjoy delicious cafe-style coffee every time. After you've finished making your coffee, wash the group handle and filter basket by rinsing them with warm water under the tap. You should wash the group handle and filter basket at least once a week with a mild detergent. Before and after making your coffee, always purge the group head with a bit of hot water to keep it free from any used coffee grinds. To do this, press the 1 cup or 2 cup button and let the water flow through until it stops. Every 2 to 3 months, soak the filter basket overnight in the milk jug with warm water and add 1 Sunbeam cleaning tablet. In the morning, rinse the milk jug and filter baskets under running water, ensuring all traces of the cleaning tablet have been removed. Place the empty filter basket into the group handle and insert into the group head. Purge the water through the group head by pressing the 1 cup button. Allow the water to run through until it stops. If the dual wall filter basket becomes clogged with coffee grinds, insert a small pin under the filter basket to dislodge them. Place the empty filter basket into the group handle and insert into the group head, and press the 1 cup button to purge. After you finish texturing the milk, wipe the steam wand with a damp cloth. Make sure you purge the steam wand immediately by turning the dial to hot water for 2 to 3 seconds. This will ensure your steam wand is clean and ready next time. Every 2 to 3 months, soak the steam wand overnight in the milk jug with warm water, adding 1 Sunbeam cleaning tablet. In the morning, remove the jug and rinse it, making sure that all traces of the solution have been removed. Now wipe the steam wand with a damp cloth and run some hot water through the wand for approximately 40 seconds. If the steam wand is blocked, use a small pin to dislodge any hardened milk residue and run a little hot water through the steam wand. If the wand remains blocked, unscrew the tip and soak it overnight in the milk jug with some warm water, adding 1 Sunbeam cleaning tablet. In the morning, rinse the jug and steam tip under running water, ensuring all traces of the cleaning tablet have been removed. Now, try using a small pin again to unblock the steam tip. Screw the steam tip back into the steam wand and run hot water through the wand for 40 seconds. I hope this video has been helpful. For more hints and tips, don't forget to check out our other videos in the Sunbeam Coffee Hub.